Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the TeleConsulta MD Telehealth app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. TeleConsulta MD is a telehealth app designed to help users connect with licensed doctors through virtual consultations. It allows patients to schedule appointments, receive medical advice, and access prescriptions without visiting a clinic in person. The app supports general medicine, urgent care, and some specialist consultations, making healthcare more accessible for people with busy schedules or limited mobility. It's available on both iOS and Android, offering video calls, chat-based consultations, and digital medical records for convenience. The app's main feature is its remote doctor visit system. You can choose your concern, pick a doctor, and consult via secure video call. TeleConsulta MD also maintains digital health histories, provides follow-up care, and offers easy access to prescriptions where supported. Many users find it helpful for non-emergency medical issues, minor illnesses, and routine guidance. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its quick appointment availability, responsive doctors, and simple interface. The ability to consult without long clinic waiting times adds to its convenience. The app is especially useful for common conditions like flu symptoms, stomach issues, allergies, and basic medical queries. However, there are some drawbacks. TeleConsulta MD may not cover all medical specialties, and availability can depend on region. Some users report delays in doctor response times during rush hours. Complex medical conditions that require physical examinations cannot be handled through the app. Additionally, full access and certain doctor consultations may require a subscription or consultation fee. In summary, the TeleConsulta MD app may be worth using if you want fast, accessible virtual doctor visits for non-emergency medical concerns and prefer consulting from home. However, if you need specialized care, in-person diagnosis, or want completely free healthcare services, it might not be the best fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.